Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to be very detailed. Okay, we are going to be playing it on the C sharp. So when I play a section, I'll take my time and then explain to you. So the beginning, you'll be playing like these are my fingers. Make sure you play just like I'm playing. This is the chord. Or it's going when you're playing, it's going to be like this. So I'm teaching you how to play the right hand first. You can even do one, or you can do this too. So it's like you again. Then you do. Then on your left, you do. You are the love of my life. You are the hope that I cling. Ta-da, ta-da-da-da, like ta-da-da-da, ta-da. So you are ta-da-da-da-da, ta-da, ta-da-da-da-da, ta-da-da. Then you do ta-da-da-da-da-da. So let me put the two of them together and then see how it is. So there you do. So again, repeat. This is the intro. Okay, so when you do then 2, then you come and play 5. This is your 5 on C sharp, and then you play a 4 on your right, so it's a 4/5. And then because C sharp has a very beautiful structure, So when you do this, you can just slide your hands like this whilst holding your sustain pedal. So let me play it for you to see. Then you do. Then you now come and start the song, which is almost like what I just played. So see the way I've played. Then so that portion is like so you play it. Or you can just leave it and play 5-2-5-1. So that's it for the second part. Then the third part, you're going to be playing a 4-4-3-6. Now for the 4-3-6, I want you to play this way. Either you play this 4 like this, so it's either you are playing this 4, or the way I would rather play it, I play 6 on my left and then 4 on my right. So this is how I'll play it. I'll play it like this. So this is a chord. So it's going to be like this. Until the world starts turning. Then I'll maintain my right and then play and never go on. And because we are going to continue that same progression again, then we'll play until da 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 da. So let's do that portion again, where you play this until, then you move. The world starts turning 6. So this is 4. I know you're wondering, yeah, it's a 4. And then 3. And then 6. Then you play 2. 2/5, then back to 1. Then you play this chord. Then back again to that chord. Da 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 da. 6, 2. Then 4, 5. Sorry, 4, 5. Okay, this 5 rather. So when this one comes back, it'll be like this. So let me add the left to it. So it's going to be like this. Until da 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 da. That's where the modulation comes in. So let me combine the two. So it's like this. Until the world 3 stop turning 6, then 2, and then 2 over 5. There you do. Until da 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 da. Then you do 2. This time around you play 3 like this. Then 4, 5, 1. You've done your modulation. Okay, so until again. Until the world stops turning. Da, 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 da. Until da, 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 da. Take you. Da, 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 da. There's a 5. Da, da. Then 4. Sorry. Da, 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 da. 5 to 4. Da, da. Then you do. Then you do a 2, 3, 4. Then it comes back to 1 again, the actual song 2. Then this plays, so you play like this. So I hope you are looking at my left. Then you come to 6. When you play this, you can come back. Then you come and do 4. Then you do. Okay, so it's like this. Now you can end it in this way. What we call the flat 6, flat 7, 1. So this is so it's going like. So when you pick the chord like this, the add 9, you move the middle, and then you play 1, 2, 5. Okay, so let me do the modulation and then play. Okay, let me show you the last part. So this is E flat, this add 9. Then So all right, so now let me play everything like from where we played into the modulation. Until the world stops turning. Da 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 da. Until the okay, so I play like this. Da 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 da. Then you come and play 2, then 3, 4. Before they will now sing the last part of the song. You are I hope this one helps.